Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying data layout and naming ranges so formulas stay robust. Once done, type equals into the cell and reference a single cell like A2 to ensure correct linkage. Make sure to lock cells with $ when you need absolute references. This prevents shift when copying. Try a simple equals sum, A2, A5, first to confirm results and catch data type errors before building nested formulas. Now you construct the logic by combining functions. Use if to branch, then xlookup or index/match to fetch related values. Break complex formulas into parts on scratch cells and test each piece so you can isolate errors quickly. Once confident, nest pieces carefully, minding parentheses and operator precedence. When copying, make sure relative versus absolute references are correct. If working with ranges, leverage dynamic array behavior, so results spill correctly into adjacent cells. Finish by validating outputs. Compare a few rows manually, and use built-in tools such as Evaluate Formula to step through calculations. If something breaks, trace precedence and dependence to find the source, and wrap fragile expressions with IFER or ICER to handle unexpected values. Make sure to save version copies and comment assumptions in nearby cells so you or others can revisit logic later. This prevents repeated troubleshooting down the line.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.